Hello everyone, and welcome. Today we're diving into a popular question in the world of custom finishes. Can you actually powder coat carbon fiber? It sounds straightforward, but the answer is a mix of yes and no, and it all comes down to the process and the materials used. Let's start with the basics of why this is even a question. Powder coating is an incredibly durable finish where a dry, electrostatically charged powder is sprayed onto a part. That part is then baked in an oven at high temperatures, typically around 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius, which melts the powder into a smooth, hard shell. The problem arises when you consider what carbon fiber is. It's a composite, meaning it's strong carbon fibers held together by a polymer resin, usually epoxy. This resin is very sensitive to heat. If you put a standard carbon fiber part into a traditional powder coating oven, the high temperature will damage and degrade that epoxy. This can cause the part to warp, lose its structural integrity, or even delaminate, where the layers of the composite start to separate. It essentially ruins the part. Furthermore, carbon fiber isn't electrically conductive like metal, which is a critical part of the powder coating process. The electrostatic charge helps the powder stick to the part before it's baked, and without a conductive surface, you'll get a blotchy, uneven finish. For these reasons, using traditional high-temperature powder coating on carbon fiber is a definite no. However, technology has provided a solution, which is where the yes comes in. It is possible to powder coat carbon fiber, but you need to follow a special, modern process. First, you must use a low-temperature cure powder. These are specially formulated powders that cure at much lower temperatures, often around 250 to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. This range is much safer for the resin in many carbon fiber parts, but you must know the specific heat tolerance of your component. Second, to solve the conductivity issue, a special conductive primer must be applied to the carbon part first. This primer creates a conductive surface that allows the charged powder to adhere perfectly. So, with the right low-cure powder and proper conductive priming, you can successfully and safely get that durable powder-coated finish on carbon fiber. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped clear up the confusion around this topic. If you found this information useful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing to support the channel and see more content just like this. We'd love to hear your thoughts or questions in the comments below. See you next time.